So you want to start investing in gold. You want to start buying an asset that is one of the strongest protections against inflation and hedges itself against economic downturn and instability. It's a wise choice. But the question is, where do you start? Now, there's already loads of places on the internet that will tell you how to start investing in gold and how to make money. Hell, there's already loads of videos out there that will tell you how to do that exact thing. However, there is a similarity between all of them. They are long. They are terribly, terribly long. I don't know about you, but I don't really want to spend 20 minutes watching a video all the time. I would like the facts in a way that is clear and easy to follow. So welcome back to the Gold Traders channel. I'm Sophie, and today I'm going to be giving you straight facts and none of the waffle. So let's cut to the chase. Here is the do's and don'ts of gold trading in 5 minutes or less. To start, do decide on what your market is. Are you going to go for bullion, jewellery, coins, etc.? Because they're all different and have different ways of buying and selling. However, don't be afraid of having multiple kinds of investments. A diverse portfolio is a good portfolio and it may be worth it in the long run. If you're buying bullion, make sure to buy a variety of weights. Large bullion tends to come at a better value, but can be a little bit hard to sell. Small bullion will come at a slight premium, but will be easier to sell. So, by having a variety of sizes and weights, you can have the best of both worlds. And if you are looking for better value for money, do make sure that you check if any gold dealing companies do a best value range. It might not look as pretty, but gold is gold and gold is good. Also, with any gold that you buy, do make sure that you check its hallmarks. Your hallmarks are the guarantee of your gold's quality and fineness. Going off from that, do know what a genuine gold hallmark looks like. Some items may not have a hallmark, and this could affect the value. If you're unsure about hallmarks or need some help, check out goldtraders.co.uk for our handy hallmark guide. With hallmarks in mind, do know that bullion will always be 24 karat gold. Other items, such as jewellery, can come in purities such as 9, 18 and 22 carat, and the lower the carat, the lower the value. Speaking of lower value, don't buy plated items. Gold or silver plate is when a cheaper base metal has been covered in a layer of precious metal. There are brand names for gold plate, so make sure that you don't get caught out. If an item is gold plated, it will not hold any value. There's also rolled gold. Unless it's antique, it doesn't really hold any value, so it's not worth purchasing over pure metal. Moving on now, do learn the stock market. Like every asset that you can invest in, gold prices will go up and down every day, so it's worth checking. Here's a secret tip though. You don't actually have to learn the daily prices. If it all seems a bit daunting, websites like our own will have those prices listed for you. When it comes to selling, don't sell to a free post cash for gold site, and don't sell to your local jewellers. Whilst they may be quick, they're not always going to give you the best prices possible. However, do make sure that you sell to a legitimate gold trading company. If you need an example, well, you're looking at one right now. And in general, do make sure that you do your research on who you're dealing with. Check their company information on places like Companies House if they're in the UK, check their websites, check their reviews, and just remember that if it looks too good to be true, then it probably is. And finally, do know that when selling, you will not get 100% of the daily gold price. If you go to the right place, you should get about 90%. If you go to the wrong place, you might get 40 to 50% less. So make sure that you don't lose out. Hello there, Editing Sweet Sophie here. It seems that in my haste to finish recording this video in my very hot studio space, I forgot to make a few of my points earlier. So here I am now with a rapid fire round, and hopefully we don't go over the 5 minutes. Let's go. Point 1. You don't have to buy physical gold. If it seems a bit daunting to you, there are options for mutual funds and also stocks. Point 2. If you do want to invest in physical gold, make sure that you get a safe or a safety deposit box at your local bank. you need to make sure that you are protecting your asset. Point 3. If you want to invest in jewellery, don't buy jewellery that has stones in it, as typically gold dealers will not pay any extra for that. Point 4. Do be aware that, like any investment, gold trading is a risk, so make sure that you play it smart and work your way up. Okay, I think the time is running low now, so back to the outro. And I think that just about summarizes all the main do's and don'ts of buying and selling gold. It wasn't a full summary, but hopefully it at least satiates the curiosity of anyone interested. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a like and a comment and a subscribe if you feel like it. And hopefully, I will see you in the next video.